Imagine clicking on a YouTube video, watching it for 30 seconds, and bam, you make money. I just want you to take a look at all of these YouTube videos right here, and you can watch them for 30 seconds and you're gonna get paid. Here are some of the payment proofs. As you can see here, $10, $50, $20, $5, $75 US, and they're literally just pages and pages of real payment proofs. Now I'm super excited to share with you these 5 amazing websites to get paid by simply watching YouTube videos. So here's how much money you can earn from this. If you get started on just one video website, you can make about $18 per hour. And when you're working on 3 websites, you can earn $50. When you're working on 5 different websites to watch videos, you can earn up to $130 per hour. So it's going to be very important for you to watch until the end and learn about all of these 5 websites to maximize your earnings. And don't worry, because all of these websites are 100% legit and are absolutely free to join, and it's available worldwide. Also, don't forget that I'll give you some special bonus tip that allows you to earn double or even triple more money compared to other people, so make sure you stick around and watch this video all the way to the end. Now before we go into the video, make sure you subscribe to my channel and turn on the notification bell so you don't miss out on any of the brand new videos. And if you want my #1 recommendation and the best way to make money online, make sure you click on the first link in the video description. Now first of all, if you're watching this video, I'll assume that you already do have a YouTube account. Let's say for example, you're gonna go to the search bar. When you're typing this keyword winter travel, you'll be able to find a lot of videos that you can watch just like usual. But I want to show you 5 websites that allow you to watch simple YouTube videos just like this one right here, and you could be making a lot of money online just like all of these guys from different countries. So make sure you stay tuned and learn about all of these 5 websites before you go on and try them out yourself. So the first website that I want to show you today is right here in our screen. Later on, I'll post the link of this website, so don't miss out on that. You can see here they have over 700,000 members and have established since 2007. So you can basically earn cash online by viewing different websites, completing surveys, and more importantly, watching videos, and over 20,000 payments already sent out to people from all countries in the world. If you want to sign up for a free account, all you gotta do is just click on this button right here where it says sign up, and now you're gonna come on to this page where you can see here sign up, it's free. Now you're gonna put in your email address, confirm your email, put in a password, confirm your password, full name and username. You can just put whatever you want, and gender, just click on this to select male or female, and your date of birth, and right over here on this section which says country, you can see when I click on this down arrow, you can see that they are accepting people from all countries in the world. And I'm just curious where you're coming from watching this right now. Let me know down in the comments section below so that I could create more videos for your region in my future videos. Now from here, how did you hear about them? You could just type in YouTube and click on this, I'm not a robot, and then you can just go read the privacy policy and their terms and conditions, and you can register for a free account. And from there you could just watch a simple YouTube video just like this for about 30 seconds, sometimes 60 seconds. Now, a 30-second video will pay you less money and a 60-second video will pay you better. Now, what I usually do is that I'll just mute the video, just turn off the volume of the video, because I just let it play in the background without actively watching it. So that's actually a very cool tip that you could use as well, and usually I'll just open up multiple tabs as you can see here. I'll just open up one video and watch another video as well. So by doing that, you can essentially make more money in much lesser time, and one of the things that I do is that I also use my phone and computer, both devices, to watch different videos, and that could speed up the earnings as well. So from there, I want to share with you a few tips right on YouTube that allows you to watch the video faster. As you can see here under the gear settings, when you click on this button, you can see under the playback speed, you can actually speed up these videos by just choosing double. Click on 2 times the speed. As you can see here, when I click on the play button, the video will actually go so much faster, double the speed. So by doing that, you can actually watch a 30-second video in just 15 seconds, basically half the time, because the speed right now is doubled. Now, that's actually one of the very effective strategies to make money faster by simply watching videos. Okay, so another tip that I want to share with you is that you can actually turn down the quality of the video as well. As you can see here, by default, it should be auto, but you can actually choose from 144p to make sure that it's on the lowest quality possible, and that's gonna save you data connection. That's gonna save you more time if you have a slow internet connection. By the way, just like what I said earlier, this website is called ucubes.com. Just type in ucubes.com and now you can earn money just by watching YouTube videos. Now, a second website where we can watch videos and make money is called bucksinside.com. As you can see here, we can get paid every 10 seconds. That's what I love about this website, because you can just watch a very short clip, just 10 seconds, and you can get paid. And another thing that I like about this website is that you can cash out instantly once you reach the $2 limit. Once you've reached $2, you can cash out and withdraw your money. On their website, they literally show you the latest 250 payments that they send out to people from all over the world. As you can see here, they're accepting people worldwide. Look at all these locations they're covering right now, and they're growing every single day. They are very transparent about all the payments that they send out to people. You can see here all the usernames and all the flags of their countries, and I want you to comment down below if you see the flag of your country right on the screen, and that must be interesting. So from there, you can also see all the earnings in US dollars and all the payment methods, including AirTM, PayPal, Payoneer. Look at these. All of these payment methods, other than the recent payout, we can see that total earnings, say for example, Jockabully, this guy right here, the total earnings is actually $860, which is incredible, just by watching videos on just one website. And you can see this guy's $1,670, $2,200, even up to $5,700, which is crazy. And this is just from one website, which is bucksinside.com. Now make sure to keep watching to learn about all of these 5 websites before you go in and try out yourself. So let's say if you want to sign up for a free account, you can just click on this register button right on the top, and from there, that's going to take you to the Bucks Inside registration form. You can just put in whatever username that you want, and also your payments and login email address, and under the referral section, you can just leave it blank because I'm not going to leave any referral links on my videos. I just wanted to try to share this opportunity with you to try and help you make money online, and if you appreciate that, make sure to subscribe to my channel, turn on the notification bell, and give a like to today's video, and I truly appreciate that, and I absolutely think that you're amazing. Now under the currency, you can just choose US dollar or your local currency, and for the payment methods, as you can see here, you can choose from PayPal, Advanced Cash, Perfect Money, Coinbase, 8TM. So for me personally, I definitely prefer PayPal Money, and if you like PayPal Money just like me, make sure to comment down below and let me know as well. So now just put in your birth year, and right at the bottom you're gonna see this question where they want you to click on the icon, which in this case they want you to click on this icon. They just want to make sure that you're actually not a robot, and from there you can just read the terms of service and you can agree to that by just clicking on this. So click on the register button. Now moving on to that third website, we're gonna go to fusioncash.net. One very cool tip that I want to give you is that they do pay you to sign up for a free account. As you can see here, they give you a $5 sign up bonus, 100% free just for signing up for a free account. Now all you have to do is just click on this button where it says get $5 and you can register for a free account. Just put in your username, your email address, and the password, confirm the password, and put in the zip code of your country, and click on the register button. Now one thing to take note is that make sure you confirm your email address. Make sure you check your email inbox for the verification link. Once you sign up for a free account, you can watch different videos to start making money. You can complete different tasks, you can start downloading different mobile apps to make money, or simply just playing games or referring friends to this website. Okay, so let's move on to the next website, which is called irazoo.com. Once again, this is definitely a legit company. You can earn free gift cards and cash right on this website, and they've been paying out a lot of cash prizes to all the members right on their website, and they've been featured in Yahoo, CNN, The Penny Harder, and also on the Wall Street Journal, and this is basically how it works. You can join this website for free and you can start watching the videos and earning points, and eventually you can convert the points into actual money, including cash prizes and PayPal money. You can get paid for watching videos online, watch entertaining videos, and earn easy points. Now from there, you can click on this button right here where it says get started. And that's gonna take you to this page where you can join using your Facebook account, or otherwise you can just use in your mail, put in your email address, your first name, last name, and your password, and you can create a free account. So right off the bat, I want to show you what it looks like once you log into your account. And right on iResu dashboard, that's what you're gonna see. And here are a few tips so we can earn some free points by just setting up your profile. You can answer a few questions. You can verify your email address and upload your profile image as well, and that's where we can earn some free extra points as well. And from there, when you click on this button where it says Reward Store, you're gonna choose your country. If you're coming from the US, you can click on this button. If you're coming from Canada, you can click on this button, or if you're coming from any other country, you just click on this where it says Any Country. So the only way we can cash out on this website is actually through PayPal. You can receive PayPal money simply watching videos. So let's move on to the next website. AppNana is basically an app you can download on your iOS or your Android phone. Say for example, if you're using Android, we can go on to Google Play Store and we can search for AppNana free gift card. And then you should be able to find the logo that looks like this. And this is where you can earn gift cards and earn cash by simply watching videos. So this is basically a free app where we can actually watch different videos and earn nanas. Get nanas points, and that's where we can convert your nanas into actual money or gift cards. And when we look at the review, they have an average of about 500,000 people leaving reviews and over 4.2 stars, which is quite good as an app. That's it for today, and if you think that today's video is a bit too difficult and you want something easier that can help you make money online right now, make sure you go ahead and click on the first link in the video description. Click on that and don't forget to subscribe to my channel, turn on the notification bell, and if you want more money making videos, make sure to click on the next video that you can see on the screen after this tutorial. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.